My name is Jake Glimko. I'm the marketing manager for Phoenix Leather Goods. We're an online clothing accessories retailer, and we have two websites, beltoutlet.com and crookhorndavis.com. We decided to go with the OrbiView system after seeing its capabilities in automation and the self-contained unit that we really felt could shoot all of our products since we have such a wide range of sizes of products. The Alpha Studio XXL in particular allowed us to shoot the small products using the Magic Table, but also have full-size mannequins and even human models come in and sit in the studio. The main problem we were looking to solve with the Alpha Studio XXL was finding a way to bring our photography in-house as opposed to having the outsourced solution. We were also looking to have more angles, better shots, and just overall better photography experience as we were developing some private label brands and a new fashion brand that we launched. Before we had the Alpha Studio XXL and the OrbiView software at our disposal, we used to outsource our product photography solution. The process was slow in that we had to first receive the product in-house, ship it out to our outsourcing company. Any communication would have the delay of going back and forth with that outsourcing company, and then we'd have to wait for the product to come back in-house before we could actually sell it. The Alpha Studio XXL has allowed us to have much more photos for our products in a much quicker turnaround time. This is especially important as we've been working to develop more custom label products that we really have full ownership of the on-site experience and the experience on the marketplace, and we really want to make our products shine. Our favorite feature about the software is the automatic background removal that allows us to put all of our products on a white background, which is required for Amazon. Overall, we are very happy with the purchase of the Alpha Studio XXL and the experience that we've had with using the OrbiView software.